Yo, look who it is, Andy Roo.
Yeah.
And look what we on today. We got her out in action. How you feeling today, Bo?
Dude, I'm feeling good.
You're probably like on 10 today.
Oh, dude, it's great. Especially because, you know, I checked the back where you're sitting.
Right.
And I didn't see any water, so that's good.
Well, that's a good sign.
All they're gonna be able to hear though is, all they're gonna hear is. Okay, I'm gonna kick up the speed a little bit.
Go ahead. It's fine. Let me drive the boat.
Let me drive the boat. Dude, and it honestly has like some leg room in there. I don't know about you because you're so tall, but.
Oh, I fit.
Oh, you fit in there good? Hell yeah.
Dude, we're gonna be.
Dude, especially like, so I was looking at it, and I mean, I think that 115 is gonna make this thing go at like 50 probably.
15, it's a move, dude.
I'm hoping. I'm thinking it'll go like 40 to like 50.
Oh, he's good. Three skinny people is like, you get a little big version on it. I'm proud, but.
Well, so I'm thinking, because what I'm thinking is this is like the perfect boat for 2 people. Because like I think you know 3 it's gonna be a little.
It's gonna be pushing it.
But I mean it definitely can, because I mean it's max 4 people.
Yeah. Oh, is it really?
Yeah. You can put 4 people on here legally. So I guess up here, like where my cooler is technically like a seat.
Oh, sweet.
And then on my other
So,
side.
like, 2 people can have their feet in the middle.
What? What?
That's a fast drawing motor. Is it 80 pounds?
Yeah. I haven't done it all the way yet.
No.
How much did that cost?
Like 20 bucks. It's 7.5 inches. 3 ounces. The action on it
Oh yeah.
basically sounds like a propeller. And then I have this one too. A little smaller.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're not going for a number of fish, we're going for the size.
We're going for a fish. The fish. The fish. We're not going for a fish, we're going for the fish.
Like, honestly, I might put you out there and fight it.
I would jump in if I had earplugs.
And we gotta be careful.
With what?
DNRCs, I heard you get pretty big trouble.
Oh, for swimming?
Yeah. Big old whopper.
Big old flopper.
I like when you get it right to that like perfect note.
Yeah.
It's that deep.
Yeah, I'm happy we're not paddling today because this wind is serious.
Be careful now.
Ooh. See, I almost just fell off and into the water.
Hey Skyler, we're gonna sit here for a second.
Yeah, so like I have storage up here in these two,
Sweet.
but they're not long enough to like stick a pole in. So I mean, we can probably figure something out, like, you know, mounting them here on the side up front. But
You can get like Max's boat. He's got the pole holders that go to the side, and they just stick straight up. Yep. They just,
Okay.
They literally just go like here, and then you slide your poles in, and and then you can put two there, and they go.
Yeah.
So they'll be in the middle. They'll be out.
Do they have like a lock that you can put around them, like a strap or something?
Yeah. They kind of do. They kind of clip. It kind of clips around like the pole itself.
Yeah.
There's like two little like rubber things that slides past. So they kind of got to pull them out to get it out. Or my glide base. I want to throw this.
Once we get out in the sun, I'm probably gonna reapply some sunscreen.
Yeah, I'm probably should put some on.
Because my feet have never seen the light of sun until today.
I didn't think about that. Me too. Yesterday, yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Almost like I must have never seen a mount.
And if we want, we can take like a little break at a dock or something and try to fish for some bluegill.
Okay.
And then maybe that's when we'll do our catfish.
Okay.
We are definitely coming to like right here though, or in the shade.
Okay. Yeah, get out of the sun so we don't die. What am I thinking about?
Oh God. Oh, it came off. Let's go.
Should we get around that tree?
Yeah.
Like, I'll send you a screenshot on Google with the places this went as we speak.
Dude, yesterday apparently everybody wanted to get a haircut too. I was looking at places to get a haircut, and literally like everywhere was like a 2-hour wait. I was like, what is happening right now? I ended up just making an appointment and going 2 hours later, but I was like, Jesus Christ. I was like, I didn't know everybody had the same idea.
Everyone's trying to get fresh on a Saturday.
Exactly.
So what's the better thing to do? Get a haircut.
It's not bad either, but it's, you know, my classic grow my hair out super long and then vzink.
Chop it. Get all pretty.
I sat down and the lady's like, okay, what are we looking for today? And I was like, we are going to cut the whole mop off. And she was like, what? I was like, yep. I was like, I come in, I was like, I get about 2 haircuts a year, grow it out, cut it super short, grow it out, cut it super short.
Ladies, enough talking.
I was like, enough talking, get the clippers out. I don't know, I might have to throw on like a little jig.
That's what I was like. Yeah, I hate the top water right now.
I think it's just too warm.
Yeah.
I mean, like, we'll probably get them to hit maybe in the shade.
I said they were hitting top water yesterday. At the time, but I thought it was different from
Yeah. Not as fished.
Pond fish really good. They were hungry.
Well, there's probably a lot less for them to eat in there too.
I guess they did say it was overpopulated with bluegill.
Oh, so never mind.
Yeah,
Them bass having a feeding frenzy.
Oh, dude, yeah, I'll have to show you the bluegill Skyler kayak. Biggest one I've ever seen in my life.
I'm kind of intrigued about the live wells because so on each side there's like 2 holes.
Right.
And at first I was thinking that was the intake
No?
for the water, but they're like above the water line. Oh my god, that is a slab. Holy guacamole.
So bad.
Dude, I was like, I don't even, if you're throwing that on for a catfish after that, you're catching you.
Is that bass I caught on
Oh
the
yeah,
frog?
that is a nice ass bass.
I was literally halfway in the lake, up to my chest, and boom! I was like, oh, this is awesome! Like, I've never been in the water to catch them.
So, do you know the Milan Beltway?
Yes.
You know those 2 little ponds, like right by the interstate?
Yes.
Josh and I have waded in that place before.
Dude, I've always wanted to fish those.
I don't know how it is anymore, but when we fished there, I mean, we caught some slabs wading in the water.
Did you really?
Like, I don't know what it was. I don't know if they're still there, but there were some slabs. When it comes out, the overflow's gonna come out like this.
Filling up our live wells right now. First time using these guys.
Hey, check your thing. There's no water leaking because the pipes run through there.
Dry as a bone back here, baby. Yep. Same village pump I got.
Yep. Got it at Walmart, baby.
Yes, sir. All right, let's check where this is filling at.
So it might not be going all the way because the hole at the bottom is still open.
True.
Check the.
We're at full power right now on the trolling motor. We're gonna see what she does.
Oh, where is
Oh my God. Look at the wake behind us. No wake zone, no wake zone. Look at this setup, boys.
Yeah, this thing's sick.
This thing is what happens when you work your ass off.
Okay.
That was
down to 50 so we can preserve some battery.
That was pretty quick.
I don't know. I think I want to throw on like a swim bait or something.
That's what I'm at right now.
Flying on 3.
What's that?
I'm flying on 3.
Where are you? How you liking the kayak right now? Chilling?
Yeah, so this is my seat up here. Look how big the thing is.
Put it in, let's see. Is it that comfy? Is it too tall? You can adjust the height. Yeah, it's more of like a butt seat just to kind of sit against. What you doing here? You're going left, right, left, right, left, right.
I forgot how to drive. About that. Sometimes, you know, it just gets away from me.
Yeah. Pull that lever behind you. See if that seat will go down a little bit. It's
Side is done.
a little, there it is. There you go. It's a little down.
But yeah, my feet won't touch the ground.
Oh, yeah, that seat finally went all the way in too.
Jasmine drunk.
Just a little bit.
Here, you want to come drive us, and I'm gonna fade up that bowl.
Yeah. Andrew, open that top one.
Here, hold on, let me get this boy put on first.
Yeah, I say it's a perfect fluke because it's the white fluke with a chartreuse tail, like just like that. Center.
The best part about this thing is weedless and weed, and it can take the fluke out too. I could probably even add another hood.
You say used cut bait?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I don't know, dude. I'm in like the middle of the lake. I think I'm on, dude. I'm moving it.
Turtle?
I don't know. Why should be a log or something? I think it is.
You can flip the. Oh.
There's a log.
Is it a log?
I think so.
Okay, what were you saying for trailer?
Okay, yeah. So open my top bag.
Just don't step behind you because
You're
the
good.
bait's right there.
Oh, they're in there. I know they're in there.
Which one?
Yep, actually, right
This
there.
guy?
Yes, sir. Oh,
Hell
gosh,
yeah.
that trailer's so good.
Big boy too. Oh, here, we still have these on, so look.
Oh, yeah.
So we have lights all the way around and up front, and then,
Good. Were those already in the boat?
yeah.
Oh, sweet.
So apparently the guy I bought it from, he got this boat on trade.
Okay.
And then he ended up moving up to Wisconsin.
Right.
His house that he got didn't have a big enough garage,
Ooh.
so it wouldn't fit in the garage.
That's a problem I wish I had.
So I was like, well, I mean, I know something that will fit a little better in your garage.
2 kayaks.
2 kayaks.
I'm surprised he said yes, bro.
Dude, honestly.
Like, when you told me you were getting this deal, I said, why?
I honestly thought,
You were getting scammed?
well, like, when I sent him, I literally said, hey, shot in the dark, but...
How's this sound?
Okay.
What did he say to that, though? He's just like...
He said, I have to remember, but if I remember correctly, I'm pretty sure he said something along the lines of, like, I used to have a kayak and I've been wanting to get back into it.
Oh my god.
And I told him how, like, they're motorized.
Yeah.
And he was like, send me some pictures, and then he like loved them. But apparently, so he had a dog with him.
Right.
And he said his goal was to bring his dog out kayaking with him.
Those are big enough for a dog.
It was, yeah, it's definitely big enough, but I was like, good luck with that. Yes, hopefully your dog's trained it good.
That's the one thing I was going to say next. Hopefully the dog can sit still long enough.
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks good.
Yeah, I feel like this could definitely get a muskie or something.
Oh, I know mouse.
So this is, I actually bought this when we went to that expo.
Really? Oh yeah, yeah, I do. You
This-
got a bunch of custom ones.
Yeah, this is like this dude like custom makes these like in his basement.
Yeah, that's pretty sick. Glide bait action. I was like, dude, that thing's moving good now.
Some more fish right there.
Some bluegill, it looks like.
Honestly, should we catch one of them blue gigi?
Cut bait.
Hmm?
Use cut bait. If you don't have catfish bait, that's what I do.
Yeah. Well, cause like, since we ate like that live well, you know, we could technically throw them in there. I don't know
Yeah.
how hard it's gonna be to get them back out because we don't have like a little net.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Jeremiah's gonna grab one with his hand.
Wow, put it on me. You know, that hook is getting pretty good.
Why you wanna try that again? I got a little bit bigger one.
I was talking about the hook and get the blue gun, not you.
The guy on the dock who was fishing, he was telling me when I was first putting the boat in that he was out here fishing one day on the kayak and he was using a whopper flopper and one of the hooks ended up getting him in the thigh, and he said he had to end up cutting the hook, and he said he ended up staying out here for like 3 more hours after that and kept on fishing. I was like, you're a legend. He was like, yeah, I called my wife on the way home. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna need your help when I get home.
By the way. Wouldn't have been bad though.
Well, do you have anything in your pockets?
Nope.
Okay.
And I got swimming trunks on.
Yeah, me too. That's the one thing I made sure of. I was like, I'm wearing swim trunks out there.
Yeah, I'm on my bag.
brought a towel just in case. First bass! Let's go!
That's a good one!
Let's go!
Woo!
No!
Where's my GoPro?
Yeah! Woohoo! First fish. First fish on the boat, not a bad one. Probably a good 1 pounder here.
Get the whole boat in it.
Come on.
Damn, son. Boom.
Heck yeah. Let's get a release on this boy. Nice.
Dude,
Heck
money!
yeah.
First one on the boat, baby!
Just hooked up. Got the bluegill on. We're gonna be casting it out.
First catfish pull going out on the boat. You just launched that bluegill that way.
Okay, well I'm gonna need some of that cut bait.
Well, we'll get right back to that.
Cut. Okay, take 2.
Did you hook him a little deeper on the
Yeah. I won't try to whip it this time.
I was gonna say, just a natural throw out. Perfect.
Yeah, that's one thing I gotta do is get some rod holders for this boy.
Gotta do with mine.
You think it's deep enough?
Yeah, I had my rod in there. Chilling. Is that what? Oh, it just died.
Oh, your phone died?
Any more luck? There you go. Sweet. We got a few bass on. No, we releasing them. Yes, there we go. Well, I need to go home and get some.
We've been keeping some bluegill for catfish. We've been keeping some bluegill for some catfish.
sir.
Hey, retired life. And they said I'll just drop the boat off in their lot. Yeah.
They're gonna test fire for you and all that, right?
Yeah, they're gonna take it to the Mississippi, or they pre-run them.
Oh, dude, I'm so excited.
Yep, he's gonna be getting me all the gauges, everything, new shifter, like everything.
Really?
Oh, but yeah, and the trolling motor works good. The 80-pound. Oh yeah. Okay, well, we just took the anchor up, so I'm gonna get to conning the boat. All right, just keep me posted if you can. Okay, bet. Thank you. We got a schmoove.
Alright, so this is gonna be the first drag race between the boat and the kayak. Trolling motor only. Get up here. Oh man, we ain't even worried about you, so we'll give you a head start.
Okay. Count it off, Skyler.
I'll count it off. I'll let you guys go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh yeah, he's beating us.
He's cruising. First drag race didn't go as planned.
Yeah, no, it did not go.
Wait till next week.
Yeah, we are getting absolutely gappled. Dude, he's on plane. He is literally on plane.
He's cruising.
He is on plane.
He might be sinking
Honestly, we're catching up a little bit.
soon. Yeah, we will eventually. His battery will die before he makes it, so don't worry.
Hey, we gotta remember, we gotta get some pictures of the
Yes.
trailer.
Yes, sir.
Just be careful turning high speed with that.
Ha ha. You're gonna lose now. I didn't tighten it all the way. You're all right.
Hey, just.
Well, we forgot to record a outro to this video, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you guys think about our first outing on the new bass boat. There's going to be a motor coming for this one, hopefully in the near future, so we can get it out on the Mississippi and have some more fun with it. But as I said, stick around for the next one, and we'll see you guys later. Peace out.
Oh, I see Jerry.